Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of free-to-use AI websites that are accessible to all. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, these tools can enhance your productivity and make your daily tasks more efficient. Let's explore these amazing resources in a step-by-step tutorial. First up, let's explore Google's speech recognition for converting spoken words into text. It's simple and free to use. Open your Google Docs, select Tools, and then choose Voice Typing. Click the microphone icon, start speaking, and watch your words magically transform into text. Here we are in Google Docs. Follow these steps mentioned, and you'll have a convenient speech-to-text tool right at your fingertips. Now let's explore DeepL for language translation. Visit the DeepL website, enter or paste your text, choose the language, and watch as DeepL provides accurate translations. It's a fantastic resource for breaking down language barriers. Head over to the DeepL website and follow these steps to access high-quality language translation services. Up next is Remove.bg, a user-friendly tool for removing backgrounds from images using AI. Visit the Remove.bg website, upload your photo, and let the AI work its magic, instantly separating the subject from the background. Check out the simplicity of Remove.bg by visiting their website and effortlessly removing backgrounds from your images. Finally, let's explore the world of AI-generated art with Deep Dream Generator. Visit their website, upload your image, and let the AI transform it into a unique and mesmerizing piece of art. Dive into the fascinating world of AI-generated art by visiting the Deep Dream Generator website and following these simple steps. It's important to mention that among the AI websites we've covered, the Deep Dream Generator stands out as the only one that necessitates account creation. To discover detailed steps on creating an account with Deep Dream Generator, simply click the link card conveniently placed at the top of your screen. This additional resource will guide you through the account setup process seamlessly. A quick tour of free-to-use AI websites that can elevate your digital experiences. Explore these tools, have fun experimenting, and make the most of the incredible capabilities AI has to offer. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and happy exploring. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting lessons, and share this video with your fellow learners. Until next time, happy learning.